Lesson: Duty of care and workplace obligations. Duty of care and workplace obligations are fundamental components of employment law that play a crucial role in ensuring the well-being and safety of employees within an organization. These principles are not only rooted in legal frameworks, but also in ethical standards that aim to foster a safe and conducive work environment. Understanding and implementing these concepts effectively can significantly enhance organizational culture, reduce risks, and improve employee satisfaction and productivity. At the core of duty of care is the employer's responsibility to take all reasonable measures to prevent harm to employees. This involves providing a safe working environment, ensuring that equipment is safe and well maintained, conducting regular risk assessments, and providing adequate training and supervision. The concept of reasonableness is central to duty of care, requiring employers to act sensibly and prudently to mitigate foreseeable risks. Workplace obligations extend beyond physical safety to include psychological and emotional well-being. Employers must address issues such as workplace bullying, harassment, and discrimination. Implementing policies that promote diversity and inclusion, establishing clear channels for reporting grievances, and taking swift action to resolve complaints are vital components of fulfilling these obligations. A practical tool for employers is the development and dissemination of an employee handbook that outlines these policies, provides examples of unacceptable behavior, and details the procedures for reporting and addressing grievances. In addition to internal policies, external frameworks such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration guidelines in the United States provide a regulatory baseline for workplace safety. Adhering to these regulations not only ensures legal compliance, but also serves as a foundation for developing a comprehensive safety program. For instance, OSHA's guidelines on hazard communication require employers to inform and train employees on the risks associated with hazardous chemicals in the workplace. One effective framework for implementing a robust safety program is the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. This iterative process involves planning safety initiatives, implementing them, monitoring their effectiveness, and making necessary adjustments. By continuously refining safety measures, organizations can proactively address potential hazards and improve their safety culture. Case studies illustrate the tangible benefits of a strong duty of care. For example, a study conducted by the National Safety Council found that companies with comprehensive safety programs experience a 52% reduction in workplace injuries and a 57% decrease in workers' compensation costs. This not only underscores the ethical imperative of protecting employees, but also highlights the economic advantages of proactive safety management. Workplace obligations also encompass compliance with employment laws related to working hours, wages, and leave entitlements. Ensuring compliance requires meticulous attention to detail and a thorough understanding of applicable legal standards. A practical approach is the implementation of a compliance management system that tracks employee hours, calculates wages accurately, and manages leave requests in accordance with statutory requirements. Software solutions that automate these processes can significantly reduce the risk of errors and ensure consistency in compliance. Training plays a pivotal role in reinforcing duty of care and workplace obligations. Regular training sessions on safety protocols, anti-harassment policies, and legal compliance not only educate employees, but also empower them to contribute to a safe and respectful workplace. Interactive training modules that incorporate real-world scenarios can enhance retention and application of knowledge. For instance, role-playing exercises that simulate emergency situations can improve employees' preparedness and response skills. Moreover, fostering open communication and employee engagement is critical for identifying potential risks and addressing them promptly. Establishing safety committees that include representatives from various departments can facilitate the exchange of ideas and promote a collective sense of responsibility for workplace safety. Encouraging employees to report hazards and near misses without fear of retaliation can also lead to the early identification and mitigation of risks. Statistics demonstrate the significance of employee engagement in safety outcomes. Research by Gallup revealed that organizations with high levels of employee engagement experience 70% fewer safety incidents compared to those with low engagement. This highlights the importance of creating a work environment where employees feel valued and motivated to contribute to safety initiatives. In conclusion, duty of care and workplace obligations are integral to fostering a safe, inclusive, and compliant work environment. By implementing practical tools, frameworks, and strategies, HR leaders can effectively navigate the complexities of employment law and enhance organizational proficiency in this domain. From developing comprehensive safety programs and compliance management systems to fostering employee engagement and communication, these actionable insights provide a roadmap for safeguarding employee rights and responsibilities. Embracing these principles not only fulfills legal and ethical obligations, but also contributes to a thriving organizational culture that prioritizes the well-being of its workforce.